Friday, December 9th, 2022 at 9:30 p.m. Central Time. Join me right here live as we pick a winner of our Snap-on Toolbox giveaway. One extraordinary winner will win this fully restored vintage Snap-on gold medal limited edition bottom box with a top box. The winner could be you if you've joined our fundraiser. If you haven't yet, there is still time to get in on the action. Just go to www.coyletools.com/fundraiser. Donate $200 to the Teresa Jimenez family, and you will be entered to win this fabulous toolbox in the most extraordinary drawing we've ever held. Your odds of winning anything have never been better, and you'll get the great feeling of knowing that you helped a family in need right before Christmas. So the timing could not be better. So go to the website, enter the drawing, and then join us here live. Get in on the chat, and you can help me choose a winner. We'll see you then.